I came to Dr. Ferguson because I was suffering from high blood pressure. I've also had this terrible cough for over 4 weeks, basically, and he advised me in regards to what healthy to eat and...
So did you take the vitamins and stuff?
Exercises, and yes, I did take vitamins as well.
Yeah. So would you encourage someone else to come to the clinic and do the full body MOT that you did?
I will encourage anyone who's concerned about their health to definitely come and see him because, as I said, it has worked for me and I can see the improvement. I'm feeling better as well in myself.